Xfinity WiFi Pods review. Watch this before you install. Xfinity XFI Pods can improve Wi-Fi coverage in your home, but they're not perfect. Watch out for compatibility issues, limited speed boosts, and setup quirks before installing. So, what are XFI pods? Mesh Wi-Fi extenders designed to work exclusively with Xfinity's XFI gateway. It helped eliminate that zone by creating a mesh network that spreads your signal across your home. Among its pros would be easy setup, plug them in, sync with the XFI app, and you're good to go. Improved coverage, great for large homes or areas with thick walls. Tri-band support. Gen 2 pods offer better performance than the original version and seamless integration. It works smoothly with existing Xfinity hardware. But among its cons would be limited compatibility. It only works with Xfinity XFI gateway, not third-party routers. Speed limitations. Don't expect major speed boosts, just better coverage. It is quite pricey for 119 for one pod and $199 for two pods. Finicky installation. Some users report needing multiple attempts to get them working properly. Real world performance. Speed tests show modest improvements in areas that previously had weak signals, and best results come from strategic placement. Too close or too far from the gateway can reduce effectiveness. So the final verdict, should you install it? If you already use an Xfinity XFY gateway and struggle with dead zones, XFI pods are a solid fix. But if you're looking for faster speeds or use a non-Xfinity router, consider other mesh systems like Eero or Google Nest Wi-Fi. And that is our Xfinity Wi-Fi Pods review.